Let's go outside. The snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate.
We are at the next feeding time. So this fueling is, obviously you can see a theme here, right? We had oatmeal, sweet potatoes, going in for the cinnamon sugar sticks. You know, it's like 32 degrees here today, freezing. Still not feeling great from this booster. So I'm just going with that like wintry comfort food kind of theme. Seems like that's what, you know, we don't know what the rest of the day is going to bring, but that's kind of what I'm in the mood for. So here's a great feeling to have. And this is what it looks like inside the bag. If you've never had these before, if you pour a little bit of milk into this, almond milk into this bag, you can have yourself a bowl of cereal. That's like literally reminds me of Cinnamon Toast Crunch. But here's what they look like. They're delicious cinnamon sugar sticks. And I'll see you at the next feeling, guys. All right, guys, so here we are wrapping gifts and more gifts. And I'm still in the process of doing so, but it's time for the next fueling, and I am having a frosted cookie dough bar. Actually, forgot to even turn on the Christmas tree. So let's do that. Let's bend down and do it. Yay! Here's our tree. It's a skinny one in the corner, but it's what works with 4 pets. Yay! There it is. So anyway, all right, that's the tree. Gifts and more gifts, and still more to wrap. So gonna go. Oh, and that's Paisley's, what's left of her food. I had to put it out here for her. All right, Optavia bar, frosted cookie dough, going down, guys. See you at Lean and Green. Okay, guys, here is the next fueling. It is the Mocha Blast shake. Love this one. I think I'm running low, so I might have to order more, but sometimes you want a shake that you don't have to add anything to. Mocha Blast, I really feel like you don't have to add anything to it. I know some people like to add a little bit of fat-free whipped cream on top, or, you know, whatever, but truthfully, I think this one and the tropical shake are the only two that I never feel like I have to add anything to. Vanilla, I always add something to. Chocolate, I always put the PB2 inside. What else is there? I don't know. Strawberry, actually, sometimes I put the banana extract in there. But Mocha Blast, I love this shake. This is a good one, and I missed this. So, gonna go have it. I'll see you at the next viewing. All right, guys, so here we are wrapping gifts and more gifts. And I'm still in the process of doing so, but it's time for the next fueling, and I am having a frosted cookie dough bar. Actually, forgot to even turn on the Christmas tree. So let's do that. Let's bend down And do it. Yay! Here's our tree. It's a skinny one in the corner, but it's what works with 4 pets. Yay! There it is. So anyway, all right, that's the tree. Gifts and more gifts, and still more to wrap. Optavia bar, frosted cookie dough, going down, guys. See you at Lean and Green. Alright guys, I just wanted to show you this. This is interesting. So after a full day of eating on Optavia, I still maintain a state of ketosis. So I just want to show you. These are the sticks. 2 Plus, you get them at CVS. They're by the pharmacy section, by the diabetic area. And if you're in anything, shades of like light pink all the way up, you are in ketosis. This is about 15, now we're about 20 seconds in, and as you can see, I'm going to put it down. I hope you can see. I'm lined up with Trace, and that's exactly what you want. That's where you want to be. So Optavia does put you in a mild state of ketosis, so I just wanted to share that with you. Let me know if you guys ever check your ketone levels. I'm curious. It's Lean and Green time. I'm going to have one of these Trader Joe's salmon burgers with a side salad. And I just wanted to let you guys know, because I'm sure you're all curious, I am not officially back on 5-in-1, although I am incorporating some of the feelings back into my day. As you know, I've been working with a therapist, and one of the things that we're working on is incorporating all foods, not labeling anything, not like, ooh, you're on this program, you're on that program. Food is food. This is nutrition. So I'm showing you there's 100 calories in one of these. The macros are really good. And I'm just going about my day. I chose to do a full 5-in-1 today just to see how I would respond. The holiday is approaching us. Tomorrow's Christmas Eve. So I wanted to see how a day went. And I think I did really well. I feel so good. I will be making a complete video coming up explaining and updating and everything, how my therapy's going, how my eating is going, my progress, my weight loss, my training, everything. So anyway, have a happy and healthy holiday, everybody, and I'll see you in my next video.